Ramesses Revenge was a TopSpin ride at Chessington World of Adventures Resort theme park in southwest London. Introduced in 1995, it was the world's first TopSpin ride to feature a drown upside down element. Ramesses Revenge was manufactured by Huss Rides, a German company who had previously made Chessington's Black Buccaneer ride, which is sadly no longer in operation either. It was one of the first TopSpin flat rides built to feature water fountains, which spray riders at certain points in the ride cycle. Introduced in 1995, Ramesses Revenge was the main focus of advertisement for Chessington World of Adventures Resort in that year, and was also widely featured in the British media, even being featured on its own segment by the ITV News. It is situated in the Egyptian-themed Forbidden Kingdom area of the park. Ramesses Revenge was refurbished in 2007, with new settings placed onto the ride's PLC to improve rideability. The ride is surrounded by buildings resembling the traditional Arabic market town. While the ride itself was built into a pit, the ride was rebranded with the new colour scheme and logo in 2000. The ride entrance was relocated in 2015 and the queue was shortened. In the ride's 24 years of operation, on the 23rd of July 2011, 40 guests were trapped upside down when the ride stopped due to a technical issue. After a few seconds, the safety system activated, lowering riders to the ground level. It then took another 20 minutes to release them. 6 people were treated by the emergency services for asthma and panic attacks. Subsequently, the ride was closed for the rest of the year. This was the ride's only one incident. Ramesses Revenge closed to the public on the 3rd of November 2019, which we were lucky enough to ride on its final day of operation, and was removed from Chessington on the 31st of December the same year, with a crocodile-themed drop tower ride being in its proposed replacement. This means that there are no more permanent Huss TopSpin rides in the UK, just travelling ones. So we're now going to move on to Ripsaw at Alton Towers. Ripsaw was a TopSpin ride at Alton Towers theme park in Staffordshire, England. It opened in 1997 and closed at the end of the 2015 season. The ride opened on 15th of March 1997 alongside the Blade, originally the pirate ship, which replaced Thunder Looper, a Schwarzkopf shuttle loop. The ride was manufactured by Huss Rides, a German amusement ride manufacturer. It was closed on the 8th of November 2015 after the 2015 season had ended and was removed by the park during the closed season. It was replaced by Forbidden Sweep, a small carnival game for the 2016 season. Riders sat in a 20-seat wide, 2-tier gondola rotated by a pair of robotic arms and allowed to freely pivot. Riders were also suspended above jets of water at one point and were lowered towards it, similar to Ramesses Revenge located in Chessington World of Adventures. The ride was located in Forbidden Valley section, not far from Nemesis. Unfortunately, I never got to experience this ride because I didn't go to Alton Towers until the start of the 2017 season. There was other Huss types rides we was going to include into this video, but sadly we couldn't find enough to talk about. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share amongst your friends, and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching.